Hi, that's it, the CUBOT King Kong 7, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch to the camera app from power key button on this device. So if you wanna open the camera app with the double press to the power key, you should open first the settings and then scroll down to the gestures. Tap to quickly open camera and click on the switcher to activate this option. After that, let's twice press to the power key and we could see that this option is successfully enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.